How to add hyperlink in LinkedIn posts. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to have a hyperlink on one of your posts in LinkedIn. Now, it's actually super easy to have a hyperlink. So there's two ways. You could either have a hyperlink inside of LinkedIn where you could comment or call other people or attach their links over here, but this is limited to LinkedIn. But if you want to have hyperlinks that are directly to another website or another page, what you could do is you could type in their actual YouTube URL or whatever URL that you have, and it will automatically identify that. Now, some URL are super long, so what you could do is you could find platforms that allows you to minify URLs, and through that, you can just simply copy and paste it on your post over here. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.